Good morning, Geomag Cat here at the Gopher Hill Festival at the parade. It is October 2nd, 2021. It is Saturday. Ridgeland, named for this location on the ridge between Charleston and Savannah, has been the seat of Jasper County since the county was created in 1912. It's the first name Gopher Hill and group around a depot built on the Charleston and Savannah Railroad in 1860. The tracks were the boundary line between Beaufort and Hampton counties, and Ridgeland belonged to two counties to 1912. Chartered and incorporated in 1894, Ridgeland had a population of about 500 when it became the new seat of Jasper County in 1912. The Georgian Revival Courthouse was designed by William August Edwards and built in 1915. The U.S. Highway 17, constructed for Ridgeland in the 1920s, long brought many visitors through the town and trips in through the hill country. Prior to the 1890s, the town of Ridgeland was known as Gopher Hill, getting that name from the abundance of gopher turtles that inhabited the sand hills of that area. Gopherus Waffle movus, commonly called the gopher turtle, along with herbivores, typically live 40 to 60 years. They spend much of that life in the deep burrows they dig. They can still be found in rural areas of Jasper County. They are no longer in abundance and are now a protected and endangered species. The story is that originally Ridgeland was called Gopher Hill, and when they were building the railroad tracks back in the 1800s, the railroad company decided they're not going to build a depot in a town called Gopher Hill, so they actually made the town change their name to Ridgeland. That's the story. The depot used to be over there, and you can probably see the basement still there. And they put a car dealership over there now. I remember like 30 years ago when I came down here, it was still there. Today is October 2nd, and it's Gopher Hill. Gopher Hill Festival once a year. Once a year, town of Ridgeland becomes Gopher Hill again. Savannah. That's all that candy there. Jumping. There's the line.